last class I have explained about some examples. Now I will continue the rest of the examples. Here the Cartesian product A cross A has 9 elements, among which are found -1, 0 and 0, 1. Find the set A and the remaining elements of A cross A. It is clear that by given n of A cross A is equal to 9 elements. After splitting this, we can split this n of A into n of A is equal to 9. N of A whole square is equal to 9. Therefore, n of A is equal to 3. In the question itself, it is given that -1, 0 belongs to A and 0, 1 belongs to A. Therefore, we can write this set as A is equal to -1, 0 and 1. We have A is equal to -1, 0, 1. Remaining elements of A cross A are. We will find out here A into A is equal to -1, 0, 1, -1, 0 and 1. After multiplying, we will get -1, -1, -1, 0, -1, 1, 0, -1, 0 and 0, 0, 1, 1, -1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Now we will start relations. Cartesian product is over. We will start here relation. A relation R from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is a subset of Cartesian product A cross B. Means the set A and set B should be non-empty. That is, R is subset of A cross B. Here the set of all first elements of the ordered pair in a relation R from a set A to a set B is called domain of the relation, and the set of all second elements of the ordered pairs in a relation R from a set A to a set B is called range of the relation. The whole set B is called codomain. Range is subset of codomain. Here domain is equal to first elements range is equal to second elements. Here 1, 2. 1 is called domain and 2 is called range. Note The total number of relations that can be defined from a set A to a set B is the number of possible subsets of A cross B. If we have n of A is equal to P and n of B is equal to Q, then n of A cross B is equal to PQ and the number of relations is 2 to the power of P and PQ. If the set, for example, if the set A contains two elements and the set B contains 3 elements, then we have n of A is equal to 2 and n of B is equal to 3. Therefore, n of A cross B is equal to P into Q, we have 2 into 3, 6. Therefore, we have 2 to the power of 6. Similar type of examples using this remark, we will solve the example basis on this. Examples: let A is equal to 1, 2 and B is equal to 3, 4. Find the number of relations from A to B. We have to find how many relations are there in these two sets. First we shall A cross B, we shall find out. Last class we have already told about that how to cross multiply 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. Since n of A cross B is equal to, A has how many elements? You observe here 2 elements. Therefore, 2 into B has 2 elements. Therefore, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. We have the formula number of relations is equal to, we have the formula two raised to PQ. Therefore, we have number of elements in A is equal to 2, number of elements in B is equal to 2. 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4, 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times we get it as 16. This is 3 marks question, and this type of question is in second year also. This type of questions are important. See here, observe. First, what is given you have to observe in this question. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 14. Define a relation R from A to A by R is equal to x, y such that 3x minus y is equal to 0, where x, y belongs to A. Write down its domain, range and codomain. For finding out domain, you will get 1 mark, range 1 mark and codomain 1 mark. First, you have to write what is given in the question. Here see, A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 14. By given, you have the relation 3x minus y is equal to 0. Therefore, we have y is equal to 3x, where xy belongs to A, this set. First, we shall take the value of x as 1. Calculate now the value of y. Y is equal to, we have 3x. Therefore, y is equal to 3 into x value is 1. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, y is equal to 3. We get the ordered pair here. 1, 3. Similarly, calculate for y is x is equal to 2. We have y is equal to 3x. When x is equal to 2, we get y is equal to 3 into 2, y is equal to 6. 3, 2, 6. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 into 3, y is equal to 9. Therefore, we get the ordered pair 3, 9. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 3 into 4, y is equal to 12. Therefore, we get the ordered pair 4, 12. Next, if you take the number x is equal to 5, what we get? Y is equal to 3 into 5, y is equal to 15. It will be 5 comma 15. Here, but in the set it is given that a is equal to 1 to up to 14. 15 is not there. So we will stop to 4 comma 12 itself. Now we have find out the relation 1 comma 3, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 9, 4 comma 12. Domain means I have told that first element 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next range is 3, 6, 9, 12. Range is the second elements. Codomain means the set of all elements 1, 2, 3 up to 14. Now the example is complete. For finding domain it is 1 mark, range 1 mark and codomain again 1 mark. Next question, define a relation R on the set n of natural numbers by R is equal to x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 5, x is a natural number less than 4, x comma y belongs to n. Depict this relationship using roster form, write down domain and range. This is also 3 marks question. First you should know about natural numbers. You have already studied in set theory about numbers. Natural numbers means you already know that 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here, but the condition given here is x is a natural number less than 4. So we have to take the natural numbers here. So I have taken the natural numbers here. Less than 4 means 1, 2, 3 itself. By given, it is clear that y is equal to x plus 5. So we shall take first x is equal to 1 here. If we substitute x is equal to 1, we will get y is equal to 1 plus 5. Y is equal to 6. It is 1 comma 6. Next we shall take x is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 by taking here is a mistake. X is equal to 2 if we take 2 plus 5, y is equal to 7, 2 comma 7. This is x, x is equal to 3. Therefore, y is equal to 3 plus 5, y is equal to 8. Therefore, we get 3 comma 8. Here, the relation here is, we have calculated already here the ordered pairs 1 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 3 comma 8. First one is the domain. Therefore, domain first element 1, 2 and 3. Range is 6, 7 and 8. Here also the marks is distributed for finding the relation 1 mark, domain 1 mark and again for range 1 mark. This type of examples is continued in second year also. Next example, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Let R be the relation on A defined by A comma B. A comma B belongs to A. B is exactly divisible by A. Here the condition is B is exactly divisible by A. Write R in roster form. Find the domain of R. Find the range of R. First we shall find out here the relation R. set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. We have to find here A cross A. And after finding A cross A, we have to select those ordered pairs which are divisible by themselves. B is exactly divisible by A. Here see here 1, 1. 1, 1 means 1, 1. A and B. B divides A means 1 by 1. It is exactly divisible. We get 1. Next we will take 1, 2. A and B. B divides A. Therefore, here we have B is equal to 2. 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. B doesn't get a fraction. Therefore, it is divisible by, exactly divisible by A. See here, observe the third one, 1, 3. 3 divided by 1, we get 3. 4 divided by 1, 4. 6 divided by 1, 6. 2 by 2, 1. 4 by 2, 2. These all are exactly divisible. So, we have selected these ordered pairs here according to the given condition. Here domain is equal to the first element 1 I have written here, next comes 2, next comes 3, after 4 and 6. Range also see, observe here second element is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Don't repeat it. If it is repeated here, don't repeat it, write only once. This is one simple example. Next one, write the relation R is equal to x comma x cube such that x is a prime number less than 10 in roster form. You know about prime numbers. What are prime numbers? You know that prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. We have to take here, but the condition given here is number less than 10 in roster form. R is equal to relation 2, I shall take the prime number, next 2 cube because x cube, 3 is a prime number, 3 cube, 5 cube, 7 cube. We shall stop for 7 because it is given in question that it should be less than 10. After 7 comes the prime number 11. So, I shall stop to 7. Here it is 2. 2 cube is 8. 3. After 3 cube is 27. 5. 5 cube is 125. 7 cube is 343. This type of question is for 1 mark. Next, we shall study about functions. What do you mean by functions? Relations is over now. We will start about functions. A relation f from a set A to a set B is said to be a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. That means this f is a function. We will consider here 1, 2, A, B. Here f of 1 is equal to A and f of 2 is equal to B. You have one image, this 2 has one image. So this type of function is called called as a function. From definition, it is clear that every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. Here f of 1 is equal to 3, f of 1 is equal to 4 and f of 2 is equal to 4. Here observe that f of 1 is equal to 3 and f of 1 is equal to 4. F of 1 has two images. So this type of equation is not a function. The function f from a to b is denoted by f from a to b. It is denoted, function is denoted f from a to b, from set a to set b. Next comes types of functions. These are all of 5 marks. One function will be asked for 5 marks. Types of functions. Identity function. A function f from r to r by y is equal to f of x is equal to x for each x belongs to r. Such a function is called identity function. Here f of x, you have to observe this one, y is equal to f of x is equal to x, such for each x belongs to r. R means here real numbers. You know that real numbers is set of rational and irrational numbers. So the domain of this function is r and range also is r. Have shown here the graph, it is a straight line. Here see observe the graph. For graph there will be 1 mark. Just it is a straight line because y is equal to f of x is equal to 1. When we substitute x value 1, the y value also will be 1. So we get the graph of a straight line. Here for definition you will get 1 mark. This definition 1 mark. And for domain 1 mark, range 1 mark, 3 marks, and for this graph you will get 2 marks. Totally it is about a 5 marks question. Next graphs we will study in next class. Rest of the 5 functions we will study in the next class. Thank you.